Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show the Weldment's features and Solidworks softwares. I also all discuss about all components of the Weldments. So now start. So again I'm taking in Bengali. তো আজকে আমরা সাধারণত ওয়েলমেন্টস সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করব ওয়েলমেন্টস এর প্রত্যেকটা কম্পোনেন্টস নিয়ে আলোচনা করব এটা ওয়েলমেন্টস এর তৈরি তো আমরা যাচ্ছি একটা ফাইল নিচ্ছি নিউ ফাইল ওকে then I'm going to take the tab plane normal taking the line okay line not created okay done again that button is click or I can source the another but I don't think this is the best now dimension 4 by 4 inch so demo you can change the dimension as you wish whatever you feel comfort then 4 by 4 inch okay then I want to exit it after that I'm going to the insert and while maths is selected go to the structural member select it then I'm going to the ISO I'm selecting the ISO type rectangular tube is selected and the size is this one or this one attributes I'm taking this one then I'm selecting the first group one then this one but I want to it's decrease now it's better looking nice I think keep watching now I'm going to the downwards when I'm selecting this one it will be showing again you're watching whole then I'm selecting this one then it will be whole and it will be show you're watching now I'm selecting this one and if I want to increase it then what happen this will be distance is created now I'm taking it to 0 and I'm taking it 0 then I'm going to the downwards location everything is here location is this one okay now I'm going to the okay here structure is done if I want to take the increase I can I want to decrease I can but I have selected all are equal now I'm going to the insert again environment I want to take the end cap that's why I'm selecting this one and I want to create a cap in this portion I'm going here and select this portion here the create the cap what type of cap I want to similar this way this space no is upwards then this one is the downwards and this one is the middle okay you are watching I mean towards in the outside inside and it is outer inside inner inside okay but I'm taking this one outside and if I want to offset it I can offset it will be and I want to thickness it will be thickness okay I'm taking the offset and I want to chamfer it now it will be the chamfer fillet or it will chamfer this way or it will be fillet then it will be this way it will be slightly similar and if I want to decrease the thickness I can okay I want to up to this or up to this okay done you are watching Then again I'm going here install Weldment again, and I'm taking the gasket, and for this gasket I need to select the two sides, I mean the supporting faces, two faces, at least one face, another face. So it's created. Here is the angle, only D1 and D2. If I want to profile, it will be this way. So here you are watching the angular. Right, again. Not created. So again, if I want to select this one, it will be happen. If I want to select this one, it will be happen. I want to increase it, or I want to increase it or decrease it. Then if I want to increase or decrease, you are watching, I'm taking up to this 0.2, and I want the middle one. Select it is the middle, and the thickness will be 0.25 is okay, and no offset, I'm taking no offset. It's done. So okay, now this one is done. Now I want to create a Weldment. So go to the Weldment and select the weld bit. I'm selecting the portion. I'm selecting first of all the weld path, and every corner, and I'm taking them from two lines, or I'm taking this one, and I can this one, this one, this one. If I want to from two length, then what will happen? It's not showing. So I can go there and show cosmetic welds. Select it, then it will show. Again, I'm going here, the environments, and I'm taking the orbit, and this one is selected, this one, and this one. Done. For watching. This one is done. Then I want to select the another option. That's why I'm selecting, going to the features. Actual was selected. Click on the surface, and I want to draw a rectangle. Okay, rectangle is done. Going here, selecting the uh, sketch fillet. Again, sketch fillet. Select all corners. This corners also. This corners also. And 0.1. Okay, done. Then exit it. Then this one is the extruded. I'm taking 0.1 inch. Done. Okay. Then I'm going here. Environments. I'm going to the fillet bed. So selecting this face and this face. Done. And this one, this face, and this face. Getting some problems. Rectangular edge. Okay, I'm going to the insert again. Formats, fillet. First of all, set one face, then the second one. Not creating. Okay, done. Select it. Now it's created. You're watching. It's done. Then I'm going to change the materials. I'm going here and double click. I'm taking the metals bronze. Okay, done. Going here, selecting this one, 1 to 7. You're watching. Now, okay. I think everybody got it how to draw it, sketch it, and how to finally the structural member is created. Thank you, everybody. Subscribe the channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like, comment, and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you.